Watercolor birds. After coloring with the watercolor colored pencils, you are going to experiment with this new water pen paintbrush. It's loaded with water and you have to gently squeeze it. Gently is the word. Do not squish it or you're going to drown your bird and ruin the whole picture. There is a learning curve to it. I had never worked with one, and I had to figure out kind of the flow and get the feel of mixing the water little by little. The other thing you have to keep in mind is you have to stay blending one color at a time. So I'm working on the blue area first, trying to get a feel for how to regulate the water in the pen or the brush. I keep calling it a pen, but it's a brush. And then when I go to a new color, I wiped the tip on a paper towel. And so now I'm blending on the body, kind of a red and an orange together. And again, you need to stay in the color, that one color at a time, and then when you switch colors you need to wipe the brush on a paper towel so that you don't mix the colors all up. Just continue working little by little. Don't be in a hurry. Kind of enjoy the process. Look at how the colors are blending. The way you color doesn't magically disappear, so it is important that you have a smooth texture on in your coloring and not scribble scrabble, because it'll show exactly what you have colored. And then just enjoy blending all the beautiful colors.